Making any kind of ribs is simple and easy. Just don't make a big deal out of it and they come out perfect. It's quick. This prep is going to take less than 10 minutes. Let's do it. It doesn't matter what kind of ribs you use. I'm using bison back ribs, but it works great on beef ribs or pork baby back ribs. It doesn't matter. They all come out great. Thaw them out if they were frozen, like these were, and just rinse off any blood residue. Take some paper towels and dry off the ribs. Flip it over, get the other side as well. This step is optional. You can peel off the membrane or silver skin on the bone side of the ribs. If you do this step, you'll find it'll be strictly meat. There'll be no membrane to deal with while you're eating. But you can leave it on, no big deal. The pan I'm using here is a little too short for this rack, so just cut it to fit. They can overlap each other. Now season it. I keep the seasoning simple. Salt, pepper, garlic powder. I find that less is more. But of course, add any additional spices that you want at this point. The only other flavor it's going to get is the barbecue sauce at the end. Now pat your seasoning in so it sticks a little better to the ribs. Flip them over and do the same thing on the back. So here's the trick to really juicy ribs. I cut up an onion in chunks to keep those ribs off the bottom of the pan and out of the water, and make it so that the ribs will stand about a quarter or a half inch over the bottom of the pan. Now I fill it with about a half inch of water and make sure the ribs aren't touching the water. Yeah, if I'm making 2 racks, I just put the other rack right on top here. Now I'm going to cover it with tin foil and make sure it's sealed tightly so that the steam does not escape. This is an important step, so take a minute. Seal it well. You want to keep all that moisture inside. Okay, now have your oven preheated at 275 degrees. You want to cook this slow and long for the best results. I cooked them for 5.5 hours, so I'll put them on at 12:30 if we want to eat at 6 o'clock. So get them in the oven, set a timer for 5.5 hours, and forget about them. And bam, in less than 10 minutes, we are done with the prep. Okay, time is up, and out they come. Now these are ready to go right now. Just uncover them and plate them. Look how juicy that is. 5.5 hours is the perfect time. The bones are just falling off. It's so tender. I like the bison or the beef ribs because there's so much meat on them. Okay, take a look at these ribs. Whoa, these bones are so hot. Let me pull up a nice piece here to show you exactly what it looks like. Oh, this smells amazing. The bones are so hot though, I can't even hold them. Alright, let me get a piece and show you what it looks like. There you go. That's what it looks like inside. Simply amazing. Remember, the secret is simple. 275 degrees, 5.5 hours. That's it. Now I'm just going to put a Kansas City style barbecue sauce on this right now and just eat it as is. But there's option B. Sometimes I take it from this state, paint on a bunch of barbecue sauce, throw them on the outdoor grill. That gives them a little burnt ends and barbecue color and flavor, which is great, but totally not necessary. I'm eating them just the way they are. They smell awesome. Well, now I'm salivating, so I gotta go. If you'd like to see more quick recipes, then click the orange circle logo and subscribe. Thanks.